Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, please subscribe with the button below. So I'm gonna get right into it, and I'm gonna talk about the two main apps that people been asking me that I use to trade my crypto and the other companies I talk about. So for the crypto, I use Coinbase. This is an app that specializes on crypto. And if you want to get $10 worth of Bitcoin right now, just click the link below. I'm gonna leave the link right there to my invitation, so you can get $10 worth of crypto right away and start making money. So let's talk about Bitcoin. Oh, it's trying to make you. So let's do Bitcoin. So Bitcoin this past year, look in March, it was like $3,000. Right now it's at 33. That means it 11x already in the year. When I started talking about it a lot on my Instagram page, it was around like 10K. So it already tripled in the past 3 months. And even in the last month, it was like at 18, 17, and now it's at 33. So almost double in a month. So a lot of people ask me, what's Bitcoin and why is it going so up? Like I'm scared or whatever. So what Bitcoin is a world's first cryptocurrency. And what a cryptocurrency is a currency that it works with a blockchain. And what a blockchain is just a network that doesn't work like the networks right now. It's a decentralized network. So networks we have right now are centralized. And that means that everything that happens within the network comes from outside, and the center controls the outcome. Now, with Bitcoin and blockchain, it's a decentralized network. So when a transaction happens, let's say like here, someone requests a transaction. Then the transaction is broadcasted to the whole network, and all the computers or nodes that participate in the network have to validate that transaction. So when they validate it through algorithms, if they do it correctly, then the transaction goes through. But for it to go through, every node in the network has to agree. Once it agrees, this is the awesome part. The transaction is put in a block, that's why it's called blockchain, and it's put on a ledger. This ledger is available for everyone in the network to see. That means it's not like once it's up there, everyone can see it, and then no one can change it. It's not like Facebook, like you can edit and change it. Like you put it and it's just read only. So after that, the transaction is complete. This is really awesome because like a lot of applications are gonna start using blockchain technology because it's super transparent, secure, fast. And why secure? Because you know that if your transaction went through, that means that everyone in the network agreed with it. That means that it's good. I don't even know how to put it in a simpler way. It has no intrinsic value because it's just like a commodity. It's a network. What it is no physical form. It's just a network again. And the supply is determined not by the bank, it's by like the network. So it's completely decentralized. No center, no central bank controls this. So that's why it's gaining a lot of popularity. And I'm gonna just give you a quick fun fact about Bitcoin, PayPal, and Square, which is like the app that develops Cash App. They bought 70% of the total supply of Bitcoin in November and December. Why? Because PayPal they wanna do payments as fast as possible. I'm not gonna get a lot into this, but these blockchain networks are decentralized, also are more energy efficient because they can store and channel energy over time without power loss. Yeah, you heard that right. Also, Bitcoin is the biggest cryptocurrency out there, but the supply is limited. So that's why the more people use it, the more it's gonna gain value. And let's go back to the prices of Bitcoin. So right now it's at 33, and the that I get asked a lot is it a good time to buy Bitcoin? I say anything around my last post in my Instagram, you can check it out. I say anything around 25,000 is good. But now it's at 33. I say anything around 30,000 is good. Why? I think it's gonna hit like 40,000 before the end of January, and I think it's gonna hit like at least 70K somewhere in 2021. So you can still double your money. Now let's talk about Ethereum, which is my favorite cryptocurrency. Is the second largest. Let's see last year. So in March, it was around $100. Right now it's at 1,000. So I already multiplied by 10. In August or in September, my birthday was 400. And then this last month, like ever since December, like it just doubled. So if you wanted to double your money in a month, you should just buy it. Just buy it. And then I'm gonna talk about a little bit about what it is. So what Ethereum is both like a cryptocurrency, just like Bitcoin, just a currency, but it's also a computing platform. It's a network also. It's a platform which is decentralized, just like Bitcoin. Everything here is gonna be decentralized. So we don't like the center. This is all networks. And in Ethereum, developers can use the platform to create decentralized applications and issue new crypto assets. So if you think that more crypto assets are gonna prevail and keep growing in the future, they're gonna be growing through Ethereum. Applications are gonna grow through Ethereum. A very good example that I like to, like an example I'd like to put it is like when it's like Ethereum is like Internet 2.0. Like people are just gonna create websites for what? Like you can find websites for like Facebook or YouTube, or you can buy stuff, or you can email, or you can just browse whatever. Like the internet is full of everything. And I think Ethereum is like the Internet 2.0. It's gonna be full of everything. But instead of working, just like when you go to a website, whatever that website wants the outcome of the website to be, they control it. You just go there and then they can throw whatever they want at you. They can steal your money if it's a scam website. In Ethereum, if you do a website in Ethereum and they say they're gonna sell you a product for X price and you buy it, they're not gonna scam you because the whole network is gonna be validating that transaction. So that's a really cool thing about Ethereum. And I think it's gonna keep growing and growing and growing and growing. Another example I like to put it with is like when Apple created the App Store. So when Apple created the App Store, like no one could predict what the App Store was gonna be in the future. And now, like 10 years later, you have apps for invest in crypto, you have apps to track, you have apps to take pictures or to edit or to follow people, you have apps for literally everything. Like you cannot even like think about it. So yeah, invest in Ethereum. Is it a good time right now? Well, look, let's just see the last week. So 3 days ago on New Year's, it was at 700. So if you have $700 3 days ago, you now have $1,000. Any more questions that you guys might have, please don't forget to follow my Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube, like this if you found this informative. Also, if you want to get those 4 free stocks that we was giving out, or those $10 worth of Bitcoin that Coinbase is giving out, the links for my invitations are down below. If you want to learn how to trade, I'm gonna put a link below to my ebook as well. And also please comment anything you want my next video to be about, or any questions that you might have about this one. I'm gonna be answering all the comments that I can, and I want to make sure that all the videos that I put out are videos that you guys want to see. Thank you.